A works cited is a document that appears at the end of your research paper. It is used to document the works used throughout the body of your paper, so that readers can refer to these works for further information on a topic, or so readers can check the reliability of the sources used in your paper. All research papers must have a works cited. A works cited is a simple document. It is used to cite a variety of sources like websites, books, and articles. It includes elements like the author, title, publisher, and publishing date of each work. Works cited can be created in a variety of formats, but the most common format is MLA. Works cited in MLA are written in 12-point Times New Roman, they're double-spaced, they're organized alphabetically by author last name, and they use hanging indents when an entry exceeds one line. These aspects make the works cited easy for the reader to follow.
Here is what a works cited page should not look like. Notice how there is only 4 sources. Well, actually, there are only 3 sources because the link is the same source as the onion, which is down below. So first, we'll address the credibility. So far, we have a random Wikipedia page, the onion, which is satire primarily, and a random blog from Yahoo Answers with the title Your Mom. Doesn't look too reliable. It is extremely important that we have credible sources, and so far, these are not it. Next, let's look at the different fonts. We have every source in a different font, not professional, not uniform at all. Also, the margins are way too big. That also needs to be fixed. Then we see that some of the sources are actually written in a different color. That again needs to be fixed. And now there are different sizes as well, which also needs to be uniform and to size 12 font. The spacing also needs to be fixed. It needs to be double spaced, whereas this is single spaced. Now that we have fixed some of the formatting issues, such as the margins, the line spacing, font, color, size, etc., now it is time to look into actual credible sources. We still have the same sources as before, just now properly formatted. Also, for a full-length research paper, having only 3 or 4 sources is most likely not enough. So therefore, we need to add more credible and reliable sources and make sure that they are actually helpful for answering your research question. Finally, we have created an actual works cited page where all of it is the same color, same font, same size, same spacing, with a decent amount of sources, as well as making sure that they are actually reliable. And they are in alphabetical order based upon the last name or the title of the source. And this is what a good works cited page should actually look like.
The various works cited modeled in this video had many different flaws. These flaws mostly concern formatting like font, line spacing, and margins, but also had to deal with content. When writing a works cited, it is important that your sources are reliable and relate to your topic, and that you have enough sources to support the length of your paper. It is also very important that you cite each source correctly, as incorrectly citing a source could be considered plagiarism. In general, works cited are an important measure of the quality of your research paper,